So hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to find mean, mode and median. So here I have written some numbers and I want to find the mean of these numbers. First of all, we will see the formula to find the mean. So that formula is sum of observations divide number of observations. So sum of all observations means addition of all observations divided by the number of observation. So let's apply this formula to do this. As we know, sum means all addition of this number divided by how many numbers are there. So there are 8 numbers. I have added 0. Okay. Now we will do the addition of these all numbers. So when I'll do the addition, the score will be all 3 numbers. I get 400. Divide by 8. Now I'll do the division of it. So first of all we will just see that whether it is divisible or not. So as it's looking it's divisible, we will divide. 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40 and 0. So 50 is the mean. So these were the scores of some students. So 50 is the average score. 50 is the average score. Now we will see how to find mode of object or a number. So what is mode? Mode is nothing but the number which is repeated or which is coming multiple times. Which is coming multiple time is nothing but the mode. Now if I had an example, that is, so here I am having a data where numbers are there. I need to find the mode, which number is coming multiple times. Now how I'll find? So I'll make a tally marks, or the simple way what I am having is 33 one time, 16 is also one time. But the better way will be to draw a tally mark. So how to draw? So as there are some numbers, what are the numbers? 33 is there, 16 is there, 14 is there, 42 is there and 15 is there. So there are numbers. Now as we know, tally marks means to draw lines. 33 one time, 16 one time, 14 one time, 33 one again, 42 1 again. 42 is here. Yes. Again 33. Again we will draw the line here. 15 one time and 14 again 2 times. So which number is more repeated? As we can see that 33. It is coming 3 times in this given data. So 13 is the mode. 13 is the mode. Now mode and mean we have understood it very clearly. Now we will begin with median. Learn about range. So range is nothing but the difference. So a range means the difference between the largest and the smallest number. So I have some data here. So I am having some numbers. So which is the greatest number? So here we can see 23 is the greatest number. Okay, so largest number is 23. Now which is the smallest number? Smallest number is 6. So we need to find the difference between them. So 23 minus 6. When we subtract this, we get 23 minus 6, that is 17. So 17 is the range. Difference between smallest and largest is nothing but range. Thank you. The word says median means middle. We have to find the middle term of any number. So if any odd number is there, as per class 7 is having the formula of odd numbers, how to find the mean of odd numbers. So if I am having a number like 1, 3, 6, 7, 5, 4, How many numbers are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll take 7. Now, here, if I ask you which is the median, you will say that 7 is the median. But what if I'm having 500 numbers? I'm having 20 numbers. So we will know how to find the median of that numbers if it is odd. So I'm having the data of 15 numbers. Now, which is the middle number in this? So 15 is the odd number. What's the formula is? Number plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for the median. This is very important formula. You just write it on in your notebook. For odd numbers, this is the formula. For even, it is not given in the book. So as I said, the number is 15 plus 1 divided by 2. 15 plus 1 is 16 and 16 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So 8th position is the median. So let's see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll circle this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 3, 7. This also 7 and this also 7. So this is the median. So we find the median as there were 15 numbers. We use this formula and we get the middle term. 8 means 8th position. So 8th position is on the 4. So 4 is the median. Okay, median. So 8 is just the clue that 8th position. So that 8th position is 4. So 4 is the median. I hope you like this video. If you like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.